would not in no lifetime find a better Monte Carlo than this 1986 clean. Don't come playing with no money. If you broke, you can't f with me, man. Kilo style, man. 36 bands, man.
This 86 Monte Carlo?
Well, honestly, everything is original except the hood. All the plates match, everything match. Let me show y'all something. Try the back though. As you can see, everything is original. Top to bottom except the hood. I did pretty good on this car right here. It's one of my favorites though, man. I got like 7 cars, but it's one of our favorites. We put this car together like in 1 year, but it's worth it though, man. It's worth it, real clean.
It's pretty much all original though, right?
Yeah, except the hood, except 350 original motor, those chromed out. You know, it's a stock engine, but you know, it's safe car, whatever. You can have fun with it. Fully clean, for sale by the way. Y'all check it out right quick. Check out the top part. It's not a Maybach, but you can feel like you're in the Maybach. We all stock engine, 350 clean. This will make your mama bleed. When I tell you she gonna bleed, she ain't gonna believe what her eyes gonna see, man. Clean, everything like that, man. I really don't want to sell the car, man, but I'm trying to get me a what they call a space shuttle, man. So everything must go. But this is my baby, so if you get this, you got you a package deal, man.
Tell me what's included in the package deal?
I got a T-top 86 as well. I got a 71 Dunk. I may sell it at the price right. If you twist my arm right, I'll give you all 3 of them the money right. Don't come playing with no money. If you broke, you can't f with me, man. Kilo style, man. 36 bands, man. KandyonChrome for even taking the time and the patience with my car, man. Y'all buy my shit, man. Buy one of them at least. I got 7 cars for sale, man. Don't be cheap.
Ooh, kill him. Oh, kill him. What? Man, this shit is fucking 100. Listen, let me tell you something. You gotta get a KandyonChrome if you want custom. You want one of these things right there? You better hit up KandyonChrome, man.